Hello guys, welcome to my channel English was Dil Se, and I hope you are growing each day and each day you are watching my content. Look guys, it's not easy to make everyday content and just upload with a good thumbnail and with the great ideas. So if you will support me, then of course it will boost me, it will be keep me motivated, and I can make a more content for you. Look guys, this year I'm just giving to this content creation journey, and just because that my audience get fluent in English, I really don't want that my audience always struggle and always struggle in speak to English, because you can easily see that people are too much struggle in this country that is able to speak English. And of course it's just because it's not a good environment. Yes, I know there are 17% people in this India which I don't even want to discuss about them. I mean, what is their purpose of life, what is their goal of life, what is their ambitions of life. I mean, these are such a most disturbing thing as a nation. I mean, look, have you ever seen cow shit? Have you ever seen cow shit? It's a very useful, guys. Cow shit are very useful. But if I see you, a human, I mean, a lot of human who are below to this cow shit category, so what you wanna tell me? Okay, just tell me what you, then what you wanna judge that what they should do, what we really should do them. I mean, do we really go out them trash? I mean, trash and their mentality, their sickness. I mean, what can we say? But yes, of course, we can. I can always show that there are two biggest power as a man. Take a stick and just be a doctor. Take a stick and be a doctor. Don't, if you ever see this kind of person in your life, just take a stick and do, because this is the best thing you can do for your country, for your own self. Because look, once society gonna clean, then automatically nation will grow. Okay, so you have to be a doctor first of all. I'm telling you a very great story. I mean, everyone can relate that boy was struggle to avoid sugar. Okay, so I mean he was addicted to sugar. So his mother went him to a psychiatrist. So psychiatrist told him that you should come away after 10 or 15 days. And then after 10 and 15 days, when the sugar addicted boy came to that psychiatrist, he lived the sugar. And you know what, just why he took 10 or 15 days, why just he took 10 or 15 days? Just because he was addicted to sugar too. Okay, so first he left it, and then he make that boy improve. So until you will not improve, until you will not progress, you always stuck this kind of trash. Okay, you always gonna be stuck in this kind of trash. So first of all, just leave them. If they are living in your home, in your house, if you are just watching them, just leave him. Okay, just and if they are trying to bullying you, if they are trying to trying to noise you, just keep them shut up. Okay, it's very easy, it's very easy. I mean, you can do, I mean, insect, have you seen ant insect? You can do whatever you want to do if you have some knowledge, and if you are man enough, you can do always. So this kind of trash you will find everywhere. Okay, so just enjoy. Okay, so yes, here we are making a sentence. Here we are making sentence. It's like now we are making sentence. There are some sentence and there are some meaning. Okay, so ever and anon. Ever and anon. It's about. Have you remember what I did to you? I did a very great favor to you. Have you remember that ever and anon and ever and anon? I did a very great favor to you. Every dog has his day. It's about look. If you will just keep it up, will do practice, will improve yourself. One day your life gonna be changed because every dog has his day. Okay, so it's not a bad thing, and I don't think so. You gonna be struggle. Look, if you are just struggling with your life, you are living very wrong life. I mean, I don't think so. This word of struggle, I think many people don't understand him. What is the true struggle is? Look, true struggle is people who are handicapped, people who don't have hand, eyes, legs. Okay, the body part missing. I think this is the struggle. But if you have a proper hand, foot, mind, health, and you are just saying that you are struggle, I mean you really need a clap. You really need a very big slap. Okay, so I mean, how can you say that, and how can you say that this kind of irrelevant and irresponsible thing? Okay, so never be a part of these ships. Okay, never be a part of these. Look, I'm a 30 years old. Okay, I'm 30 and I'm telling you, people who always do be excuse like him. I mean, you can't even imagine what kind of people see in my life. You can't even imagine. You can't even imagine. And yes, I never stuck with them. I never stuck because I know these all are just ships. So if you just always be like living like a ship, then of course you're gonna be always struggle. I mean, just live your life with full joy. Do your work with passionately. Live each and every moment passionately, and you will get whatever you want. You will get exactly what you want. Okay, you will. If you are a man, you don't have to afraid. Okay, every inch. It's about now you are complete yourself. Look, if you are gaining some knowledge, if you are if you are think that you are complete, then I think every inch. So now you can really say that every inch, now you are complete, now you are really complete. Eye wash, it's about show off, it's about eye wash. I mean, people who are really do this kind of expertise, I mean brainwash, they can brainwash. I mean, lots of people, I think, is our we can say that politicians, they are a very really good brain washer, they are a very good eye washer. But I am suggesting you really shouldn't do like this. You really shouldn't be like this. Don't be an eye washer and just show that you are a rich person. I mean, you really don't have to do this kind of thing. Okay, see eye to eye. It's about see eye to eye. It's about that see eye to eye. That if you are remember a Mahatma Gandhi quote, once he told that an eye make a eye, whole worlds make a blind, and one eye can open whole world's eye open. Okay, these Mahatma Gandhi's next quote. I know many people who are abusing Mahatma Gandhi. I mean, look at see. That's why I'm telling you, never ever care about what the society thinks about you, what your parents, what your housemates are thinking about you. It's a bullshit. You can't even imagine people in 2026 are criticizing to Mahatma Gandhi. I mean, every 1 out of 2 people who always gonna find that criticizing Mahatma Gandhi. He did such a wrong thing. He did such a this kind of wrong thing. I know he took a very 3 or 4 very bad decision. Like one's decision that Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Chandrasekhar Azad, and these are and the two was partition. But look, I won't judge him. You look, I really don't want to judge him. I'm saying that I really don't want to judge Mahatma Gandhi, because even a Bhagat Singh, and I mean we heard only 4 or 5 legends, the Rajguru over 4 or 5 legends. Even they don't criticize the Mahatma Gandhi. So who we are to criticize that man? Who we are? It's I mean really have people should have to think, even if our legend like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Ashfaqullah Khan, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad never criticized to Mahatma Gandhi, then we really shouldn't do it. Okay, we really shouldn't do it. So yes, if you are enjoying my content and thinking that you are growing yourself, so please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And just thank you very much. And look, write in the comment section so what I can make a more content of that video. Okay, so yes, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.